What is going on, you guys? My name is Lionfly and welcome back to another Minecraft video. Thanks for checking this out. Today, you guys, we are back on the CraftCore server. It's the CraftCore Unlimited server, I should say. And I got some more plugins and stuff that I want to show you guys. Stuff that's kind of being added onto the server as well. And first thing I want to show, I kind of want to walk outside real quick. But before I do that,
I'm here in spirit.
Yeah, Megaton's here in spirit. I want to say that real quick because Megaton, he's been helping me a good amount with this stuff. And he's basically my only other helper. So yeah, that's it. You know, that's all I have to say about that. But today I want to show you guys something called Citizens. It's a new, it's not a new plugin, but it's new to the server. And it's something that I think will kind of help out with a lot of things. It also makes like a little bit of aesthetics to everything. And if you don't know what Citizens is, let me walk outside real quick, and you'll see right here is these dudes. They're the CraftCore guards, and I basically, guys, wanted to add these in because the Citizens kind of lets you do a whole bunch of stuff with NPCs. It lets you add stuff that can't be moved and they can't be killed, anything like that. And they also have like these little cool animations, so a few of them actually walk around the city and just, you know, they're just walking and guarding and stuff. And also added them in front of some of the shops, so if you ever want to know what some of the shops do, you just walk up to them. Yeah, so you just walk up to some of them and they'll tell you stuff like the shop info guy will tell you this is the grocery shop, here you can buy and sell most food items, go inside and look around. So basically he's just telling you what's here. If you ever don't know what's around, just walk in front of them and they'll tell you. And they also follow you creepily around. Hello. And that's, yeah, so that's pretty cool. Another thing,
is it powered by NVIDIA?
It's not powered by NVIDIA. It's powered by the Tegra X1. Anyways, right here I added a new building, and it looks actually pretty cool. I actually like the design of it. It's something that I want to work on for right now. It's actually something that I want to do for later editions and stuff. And yeah, for now it's just here. It's just a damn building, and it says actually in the front, it's condemned by City of CraftCore. So there are things on the server that I think will be called like that, you know, depending on stuff that I want to close down or whatever. It'll be indicated like that, so it'll say City of CraftCore and blah blah blah. Anyways, over here, you guys, we got some more shops and stuff. We got the actual general store. Here you can this guy doesn't say, oh yeah, here you go. Here you can buy general stuff from the Minecraft world. Go inside and have a look. So basically here you can just, you know, buy and sell all your general stuff in Minecraft and whatnot. And then over here is the apothecary. I think I showed this last time, but let me go ahead and just walk up to him. Here it's apothecary.
I like the way it looks.
Hey, yeah, thank you. Anyways, so here soon enough there's gonna be a whole bunch of different potions. As you can see, I have one in here. It's a potion of healing, but sooner or later I'm gonna add a whole crazy amount of them that are just insanely powerful. And of course they'll be like, you know, very expensive or whatever. But yeah, you can basically come in here and, you know, just buy stuff, and you know, that's basically it. And right here, you guys, the building. I want to discuss this real quick. This tower, I don't remember what I called it, but the Tower of Babel, I think is what I called it, is basically the place where you will go for mini games. I'm actually going to start adding mini games where you can play like trivial kind of stuff like that. And you'll go in there and play trivia games or whatever. And then you can also have like the archery game. I think I had that in the last CraftCore. Yeah, I had an archery game. There's gonna be stuff like that, and all of them can be found on the different levels of this.
You know what that looks like?
What does it look like?
Like a tower of Oreos stacked on top of each other.
Really?
Yeah, doesn't. No, he's not. He doesn't know much about art, guys. So he's.
I built this damn tower, man. What are you talking about? All right. Well, anyways, those are some of the cool things. You know, stuff just being added onto the server.
Are you really gonna lie to your viewers right now about that?
Yes I am. Anyways, something new that also added, you guys, was something called, I think it's called Spawn Point. I think is what it's called. It's a new plugin, and it's for 1.10, which is what really made me happy. And basically, what it is now there's a new like teleporting system. So if you ever want to go back to spawn, you just go /spawn. I misspelled spawn. /spawn, and then it'll take you back to spawn. And it's called spawn join. There you go. But it'll take you back to the actual spawn where you spawn on the server. It literally spawns you here and next to the the castle or whatever. I want to make this actually look better. I feel like it's very simple. But inside you got your little loot crates and stuff. So if you ever win a battle, you just go /spawn, or a dungeon. You ever win a dungeon, just go /spawn, come here, go inside, and then use your keys. And then if you come down here, this is actually really important for people that are starting off on the server or whatever. And then you come here and you'll have this guy. He doesn't sell anything and you can't break that stuff, but if you press here, it'll take you straight to the player plots. So as you can see, it just takes you straight there and you're there. And then from here you can kind of, the reason I put it like that is because a lot of people aren't really going to be using a slash spawn or
TP,
slash
TP
like a TP here kind of deal to the player plots, because everybody's going to be buying a house, and when you do, you're just going to put your spawn there or whatever, you know, so you end up there. But yeah, that's basically, you know, for the most part it for all that stuff, for the area shops and stuff. I don't even know where I was saying, but yeah, the teleporters and all set up for all that, so you can be, you know, kind of jumping around the world much faster. And the last thing I want to show is this. So down there is a hub. So if you go /hub, and it just kind of put me through it, but there you go. Okay, so you kind of had a second to regen, but it's the same concept, you guys. The hub will kind of put the new players in here, so it'll kind of say something along the lines of new player joins the world, say hello to what's and what's, and then they'll put you in here, and these guys kind of give you information about the hub. So the hub is kind of small right now. I want to make it bigger, just depending on how many people play and whatnot, you know. And this also can be used, I think, for kind of joining up with people that want to do like the dungeons and stuff. Everybody that does the dungeons, they'll kind of come here if you want to, or just join up with different people. And yeah, you'll meet here. And then when you actually join in here, you just come here, press this, and it'll take you back to spawn. So that'll take you from up there down here. And that's pretty much it, you guys. That's what I've worked on so far. Some of the dungeons are being worked on too. I'm taking my time with those though, because I want them to be different from the ones I had before, and I also want them to be working, because I don't want CraftCore Season 1 happening all over again. And I had the first season, everything was just, all the dungeons were kind of falling apart. Only like 1 or 2 of them worked, and you know, it was bad. But anyways, that's pretty much all I have to say. I think the last thing I have to say is that the server isn't open yet. That's why I have the series called Creating CraftCore, because I'm going to be showing you guys the different stuff that I'm working on. And you know, if anybody has a suggestion, obviously you can leave it down below so I can look at it. You know, I want to say Craftology was the one that probably gave me the best idea with the loot crates. The loot crates are actually an amazing add-on.
My name is not Waffle.
No, I didn't say Waffle. I said Craftology. But
Craftology.
I'm really glad that he gave me that. He used to play on the CraftCore Season 1 and 2, and I don't know if he'll play here, but he gave me the suggestion for the loot crates and stuff, and it was a really good addition. Anybody has anything else they want to add to it, let me know. The problem is that there's a lot of plugins that don't work in 1.10, so a lot of them can't be added. So I have to end up finding new ones which, you know, get supported, but they're so early in development that they don't really work, or you know, they're being worked on and that kind of jazz. And you know, it's just kind of hard, but we're working on it. And as far as staff goes, guys, I don't know if I want to have a big staff at all. I remember Season 1 and 2 I had a pretty decent staff. I had Mr. Trouble Cookie and Bakaman, and I had a few other people, and I think I want to limit that to maybe me and one other person, maybe me and Megaton, and maybe another person after that, just because I want to have maybe someone with a different time zone, so we'll be on here more often and
24/7.
24/7, yeah, that kind of deal. So if anybody needs any help or anything, you know, we'll help you. But anyways, that's all I have to say today, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this episode. Like and subscribe if you want to see some more. If you want to join the CraftCore server, I'll be giving the IPs pretty soon. But before that, I want to do the like a beta version for YouTubers. I want some YouTubers to come on here and try it out, maybe for like a week, kind of give like opinions or whatever, and then after we've tested it out, we'll actually let the whole server open up completely.
So you're gonna open up the server, and then it's kind of like a beta.
No, I'll give out the IP to only certain people, so they'll be whitelisted. And then after that, after we've tested everything, make sure everything works and whatnot, make sure that they enjoy it, we will then, you know, open it up to everyone. So yeah, that's that. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.
I didn't say bye.
Okay, well, say bye, Megaton.
Bye, Megaton.
God damn it.